Birds, Part 3. Claws and Nest. Birds use their claws to catch and eat food, to protect themselves from their enemies, to sit on trees and to move about. Flesh-eating birds. Some flesh-eating birds like hawks and eagles have strong, sharp and curved claws called talons. These help them to catch their food. Perching birds. Perching birds like sparrows, mynas and crows have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. This type of feet help the birds to hold on to a branch. They can even sleep while they perch. Scratching bird. Hens have strong legs with 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back to scratch and dig the ground, to bring out insects and buried seeds. Climbing birds. Birds like woodpeckers and parakeets have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 toes pointing downwards. These toes help them to climb trees and to cling on to them. Swimming birds. Swimming birds have webbed feet. They have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. The 3 front toes are joined by skin, which is called a web. The skin helps them to push water back while swimming. Wading birds. Birds like cranes and herons have long legs with spread out toes. They can wade through muddy water without getting wet. Nesting habits. Birds build nests to lay eggs. They use materials like twigs, dry leaves, cotton, thread, wool, feather, paper and pebbles to build their nest. Birds like the eagle and the vulture make nests by gathering a few sticks and simply putting them together in the shape of a shallow cup. The woodpecker pecks a tree trunk with its beak to make a hole. The tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves with materials like thread and wool. This is why it is called the tailor bird. The weaver bird makes beautiful and strong nests with the twigs and grass. It weaves the grass in and out rapidly. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree. The bird enters its home through a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest. The penguin collects a few pebbles and stones to make a nest on the ground. Now you know a lot about birds. If you see a nest with eggs in it, do not disturb.
Thank you.